So this is Sleazy Geek 123, and I'm gonna do an unboxing video of my TV, my new TV I just bought. Yeah, it's actually a Polaroid. Okay, 22-inch. I know it's not the best, but you know it's something. 22-inch full LED TV. It's got everything. It's got big picture. Not nothing any, something just something cool, It's great. So let's just go with the unboxing. Gonna get a picture there, Jeff? So for the first thing, so what I expected from this, pretty heavy, it's pretty light right now. So just for the stand and instructions, I put the stand on there. Just paper. Yeah, here's it. Manual. Here's the manual. It's great. It's got a whole bunch of stuff on it. This is gonna take up like, I don't know, 3 minutes of my life. I'll read all that. Comes in Spanish too, so I'm gonna read that in Dutch and French and some other languages. Next thing, I don't know what this is. This must be like for the remote or something. I don't know. Stupid stuff. The last thing, wait, not the final thing, but hey, was TV even in here or something? Oh, there it is. There it is. Yes. This is great. Yes. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and all that stuff.